Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I am coming on with 3 super easy gifts to put together for Valentine's. They'll take you less than 5 minutes each. So the first one is a set of these cute notepads, okay? These pink notepads are from Amazon. I'll put the link in my description box. The pens are from Dollar Tree, and I believe there were 10 pens in a package, so a little goes a long way. And then I got the ribbon at Dollar Tree as well. So just, I would say that you could probably tape the pens, put a piece of tape across before you tie the bows. But look how cute. And these would be great for teachers, coworkers, if you gift your neighbors, kids love to draw. I mean, really, anyone that you can think of would love these. And, maybe put a package of candy along with it or a gift card, and that would be super cute. In fact, I have a box of sweethearts right here. Let's just throw that on there too. You could put that underneath. Let's see if we can fit that. Yeah, see, look how cute that is. Put that along with the pens. So that's a cute idea. Again, Amazon, Dollar Tree, pens, Dollar Tree. Okay. All right. I have 3 things to show you today total. Okay, next one. This is the all-purpose cleaner from Dollar Tree. I really like it. It smells good. It's peppermint sage. And then I found these cute sponges at Target. So and again, Dollar Tree ribbon. So I just tied the sponge onto the bottle. You could either gift it like this, or you could put it in a cellophane bag. And if you put it in a cellophane bag, you can put some red shred with it. You could even sprinkle some of these cute hearts in the bag. These are from Dollar Tree as well. So that would be another cute gift. Especially if you have a house cleaning lady. Wouldn't that be cute? Okay. And the next one is a decoration either for your home or to give as a gift. All this is from Dollar Tree. So I found this cute pedestal. Now, if you want, you can glue these on. I did not for the video, but you certainly could. And then I found these cute glass jars. Or I guess they're more like vases, right? Okay, and then I'm trying to get where you can see here. Let me move this up a little bit. Okay. And then the candles are from Dollar Tree as well. So, and if you decide to glue this one, just put some glue around the rim here or around this rim and then stick that on. I would suggest E6000 or maybe hot glue, but when in doubt, use E6000. Put the red candle here. I liked the white candle in here. And then again, these hearts from Dollar Tree. So I just took these and I just dropped them in there. I felt like pink would be cute for this. I will tip this up so that you can see it. See how cute that is? Just drop the hearts in there. And you can put as many as you want. They kind of move around. You might have to redo it with your finger. All right, come on. You're being a little bit hard to work with there. Yeah, anyway. And you could even, well, I was going to say you could probably glue them to the candle, but I don't know if you'd want to do that if you're going to burn the candle. If it's just for looks, yeah, feel free to glue them. And then on this one, I did some pink and some red. The red ones are smaller. And you can put them all the way around. And it doesn't, you can make it, so that it's the same design all the way around, or you can just throw them in and see what happens. Anyway, you get the idea. And then if you want, you could take a piece of ribbon and tie around. Let's take a piece of ribbon. We'll take the one off of the notepad. And we'll just tie this on there, and then I'll hold it to where you can see it. Yeah, I think this will be cute to put some ribbon on. I just thought of that while I was showing you guys. Oh, come on. It's not... Okay, well, the ribbon didn't go on the right side here. I'd have to redo it, but anyway. Excuse me, I've been sick, and we'll just turn it. It's not the best bow in the whole entire world, but for this video purpose, we can just go with the flow, right? And then you could put one around this one as well. Okay, so see, there you have that. That's what that looks like. Okay. All right, that's it for today. Head to Dollar Tree and Target to get the sponge if you like any of these ideas. And for the pink notebooks, the lined notepads, those will be in my description box from Amazon. Thanks so much for watching, and have a great day.